How to change your Wix domain name. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can change your Wix domain name. You can simply change the domain name of your website that you're creating on Wix. The process is very easy. Let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your manage.wix.com, your dashboard, and in here you have all of your sites in My Sites option. So here we will be able to find all of our sites. What you have to do is simply select the site for which you want to change the domain name for. So let's say that I want to change the domain name for this site right here. So what I will do is, or maybe let's change for this one. What I have to do is click on select site. It will take you to your site dashboard. This is my site. Now what you have to do is simply go to settings. In settings, you have to go to website setting. And if I scroll down, then you will find site address URL, get a branded domain name. So you can see this is my domain name right now. And if I want to change it, I will simply type the domain name that I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and type in how to digital. Let's say that this is the domain name that I want to get. Simply click on save and your new domain name will be saved. The next time I will load this website, this is going to be the domain name, and this is how you can simply go ahead and change a domain name on a Wix website. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.